Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the strategy video on English. Now, I received requests to make this video, so that's why I'm making this. Now, ये अगर मैं इस साल इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम दे रही होती तो मैं कैसे प्रिपेयर करती मैंने इस वीडियो में अच्छे तरीके से एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. ओके, सो नाउ I would be taking 5 days for English, so I would start preparing for 7th for English. Now, so first day I would be going through explanation videos. Now you can use any channel, the channel that you have been following throughout the year. I would suggest you use those. Now few that I had recommended before were CBSE with Sudhir, Grand Acad, and also I would recommend English Academy. That's also really good. So आप इन चैनल से भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. मैंने उनका एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोज़ आप देख सकते हो. Now while watching the explanation videos, you keep your NCERT along with you, and you mark the keywords in the NCERT. If you have done it before, it's really good, nice. But आप फिर से एक बार explanation videos देख लीजिए, क्योंकि it will, like आपके memory में वो ताज़ा हो जाएगा. It will help remember the story. Okay, now second day में what would I do? First day में I would watch all the explanation videos for all the stories. Second day में I would watch the explanation videos for the poems. Now, when you are watching the explanation videos for the poems, what is important is you go through the figures of speech. You will find separate videos on YouTube for figures of speech, or in the explanation video itself you will sometimes find them explaining the figures of speech. So it is very important that you mark the figures of speech in your NCERT, because MCQs में figures of speech से बहुत सारे questions आते हैं. Okay, so don't skip it. Now see, poems, number of poems are less than the number of stories, so आपको और extra time मिल जाएगा जिस दिन आप poems के explanation videos देखेंगे. So what you can do is you can go through 1 or 2 reading comprehension as well that day. I mean, you can try to solve 1 or 2 reading comprehension. देखो, I won't recommend you doing a lot of reading comprehension or focusing a lot on reading comprehension, because ये एक चीज़ है जो आपको साल भर करना होता है. You're supposed to focus on reading comprehension throughout the year. You're not supposed to just do it, before the exam. So hardly like एक और दो आप कर लीजिए practice for the flow. Now, on the third day, I would go through the writing section, like the notice and all. See, इसमें आपका सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि आपके पास करेक्ट फॉर्मेट हो. आपके पास करेक्ट फॉर्मेट अब तक होना चाहिए. मेक श्योर यू हैव रिटन दी करेक्ट फॉर्मेट समवेयर, मे बी इन अ पेज और समथिंग. ऑल दी राइटिंग सेक्शन, एवरीथिंग दैट इज़ देयर इन दी राइटिंग सेक्शन, हर एक चीज़ का आपके पास करेक्ट फॉर्मेट होना चाहिए. और उस दिन ऑन द थर्ड डे यू विल प्रैक्टिस राइटिंग. ओके, विल प्रैक्टिस राइटिंग इन दी करेक्ट फॉर्मेट. ऑल्सो सी, राइटिंग सेक्शन ऑल्सो विल नॉट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम. सो आपने सुबह ये राइटिंग सेक्शन कर दिया, फिर शाम को आप you will go through the PYQs of what, of like of the writing section. You can go through in the morning itself, like when you are practicing the writing section. But of literature, the PYQs of literature, like kuch important PYQs hote, especially the past 2 to 3 years, you will go through them. You will go through the MCQs. Now why I'm saying MCQs, because MCQs में figures of speech ये सब होते हैं और ये सब repeat भी हो सकते हैं. So it's important that you go through them. अगर कुछ आपको लग रहा है कि आपको याद करना है तो आप उसको NCERT में मार्क कर लेंगे PYQs से. एंड यू ऑल्सो रीड थ्रू दी question and answers, framed question and answers, so that you have an idea how you will be writing in your exam. I hope you have framed few answers, not everything. Or if you have a workbook, in the workbook itself you will have framed question and answers. So go through those so that you have a good idea that how you will be writing in the exam along with the keywords. Okay, now on the 4th and the 5th day, that is the last 2 days before the exam, what I would do is I would read the NCERT line by line. Now I know this is something troublesome because these stories, some of them are really big, but 2 days are more than enough to complete all of it. So line by line, go through these stories, go through the poems. Okay, and focus on the keywords. I hope you have already marked the keywords when you were going through the explanation videos. So focus on the keywords, read through the summary. Like you read one chapter, you read, you read its summary as well. You also read its critical analysis. Okay, so focus on these. And then one more thing that I would request you to focus on, एक और चीज़ जो आपको याद करना है, is the author's name. देखिए, आप जब आंसर्स लिख रहे हैं ना, अगर आप उसमें मेंशन करें, यू आर मेंशनिंग द ऑथर्स नेम in your, while you're writing the answers in the exam, it will create a good impression on the examiner. So I hope you also remember the author's name when you are reading through your NCERT. So this is how I would be preparing for my English exam, and I would be using 5 days. But again, on the day of the exam, that is in the morning of 12th, you get some time in the morning, right? You get about 2 to 3 hours. So that time I would skim through the NCERT. Means I'll just turn the pages of the NCERT and look through the keywords of every chapter that I've highlighted already in my NCERT. And I would obviously go through the author's names, and I would also go through the writing format. Now, the most important part is going through the writing format in the day of the exam, because this is something that you might forget, so it's important that you go through it. So this is it. This is how I would be studying for English. This is your English strategy video, and I hope this video helps. If you have any other doubts, you can let me know in the comments. Please do like, subscribe and share. Good luck with your studies.